Welcome to Barry Mitsubishi. Today I'm going to take you for a walk around this 2015 Holden SSV Redline. Now as we walk around, this car's got about $6,000 worth of extras, which I'm going to go through with you. So starting off at the front, you notice this car does have the black pack on it, so it's got the black roof including the sunroof on there. We also have the black guard type things down the bottom, which is really handy because being a Commodore at the front, they tend to scrape if you pull up too close to the gutter, so those little black plastic parts have helped a lot. Colour coded front sensors. You also see we've got our daytime running lamps, fog lamps down the bottom, and our nice big Holden headlights. The black is really good with the piano finish at breaking up the white, and we've got black symbol plates as well, and a nice big Holden badge in the middle. As we take a look at the bonnet, no real stone chips or anything. This car has been well looked after. It's maybe one tiny little one down the bottom there. That's just me being extremely picky. You'll see we've got our 19-inch alloys with pretty much brand new tyres, and our Brembo brakes there. No gutter rash on our wheel. Got the little flutes down the side, the air vents with the integrated blinker in the side. Colour coded side mirrors with the black around it, helps break it up. Keyless entry, so just walk up, click the button to lock and click again to unlock. SS badging, and we've got our nice tinted windows as well. No marks on the doors. Great to see. We've got our petrol cap on the right hand side. Another pretty much brand new tyre, and no gutter rash on this one either. As we come around to the back, you'll see this car is fitted with the Harrop 325 pack, which includes the exhaust, air intake, and we'll go through a couple of the other features in a minute. We've got reverse camera, colour-coded rear sensors, and you'll see our nice SSV badging there, and we'll take a look inside the boot. So hold down the button, and it'll automatically pop up and open with the gas struts. Great thing about the Holdens is they do have the extremely large boot space inside. And we'll take a look underneath. You'll see we've got our full-size spare wheel in there that's never been used. And nice and easy to close. Now another great thing I love about these cars is the remote start. So press to lock until it beeps, hold down this little half circle button, you see the car flash, and that's where you'll hear our nice Harrop exhaust. So hopefully if I get down you'll be able to hear it with the microphone. Extremely handy in summer because if you've got the aircon already going, you can cool down the car before you come out. Taking a look at the rest, paintwork is in immaculate condition on this car. Another pretty much brand new tyre. No gutter rash on this wheel either. Now there is a slight tiny little mark down the bottom here, but that's pretty much the only mark I can really point out in the whole car. No marks on the doors or the side mirror. Another pretty much brand new tyre. We've got the slightest little bit of gutter rash on this wheel, which is the most common wheel of the car. Alright, taking a look under the bonnet now of this 8-cylinder 6 litre. So it's going to produce around 200, or because of the pack on it, it would have produced 260, but because of the pack, it's 325 kilowatts of power. It's going to use around 11.8 litres per 100 kilometres to a 71 litre tank, which is going to get you a driving range of around 600 kilometres per tank, which is pretty good for obviously a V8 that's got some work done to it. 5-star ANCAP safety rating with 6 airbags, and it's also got, in the Harrop pack that I mentioned earlier, that includes the exhaust, Harrop air intake, it's got a tune done, as well as, I mentioned earlier, the black roof and spoiler, and the little extras on the front bar, and then you've got the sunroof. And we actually have 265 kilowatts at the rear, so another handy thing to know about. Alright, taking a look inside our SSV Redline now. There's loads of features and this car is in immaculate condition. Over on my right, power window.